learners, welcome back to the Shareability online class. Today in our topic body systems, we shall be looking at the excretory systems, the systems that help the body to get rid of waste products, and in particular we shall be looking at the skin, how the skin helps to maintain body temperatures during hot and cold days. We shall be looking at different parts of the skin. How can we care for our skins? What are some examples of the skin disorders? Please, if you enjoyed this video and if you learned something from this video, please consider sharing it with a friend and liking the video to boost us. And also, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe so that you may be notified when new videos are being uploaded. Let us kickstart by defining what a system is. A system, as in relation to body systems, a system is a group of organs specialized to perform a similar function. We have examples of different types of systems. We have digestive system, we have the reproductive system, we have the muscular and skeletal system, we have the nervous system, and others. As I said, specifically we shall be looking at the excretory system, which is the removal of waste products from the body. Or excretory system is a group of organs that help the body, or that deals with the removal of waste products from the body. Organs that make up the excretory system include the skin, the kidney, the lungs, and the liver. This is the skin, the structure of the skin. You can pause the video and take a look at the major parts that make up the skin. We have the hair, we have capillaries, we have sweat glands, muscles, and others. However, the skin is made up of two main layers, which are known as the epidermis and the dermis. The epidermis first is the outermost layer or region of the skin, and it is made up of three layers. It is made up of the conified layer, the granular layer, and the Malpighian layer. The conified layer is found on top of on the top surface of the skin, and it consists of dead cells that offer resistance to damage and bacterial invasion. However, the Malpighian layer is a layer of cells which divide actively to produce what is known as the epidermis. In this layer, there are pigments, granules, and melanin that determine the skin color. It is in the Malpighian layer where we find melanin that determines the color of the body or someone's color. So your color is determined by what we know as the melanin, which is found in the Malpighian layer. And then the granular layer contains living cells that gradually give away to form the conified layer. It helps to increase the resistance to damage and bacterial invasion of the skin, and also reduces the loss of water by evaporation. This is basically done by what we know as the granular layer of the skin. Then we have another part of the skin, which is the dermis. The dermis is the region in the innermost layer of the skin, and it stores fats under it. It is the region that contains the following parts. It has the capillaries, which supplies food and oxygen to the skin, and also removes excretory products such as salts through sweats or through sweating. Capillaries also help in maintaining body temperature, as we shall see further ahead. It has sweat glands which secrete sweat, and sweat contains excess salts and urea, and also water. So the skin helps the body to get rid of these products through sweating. It has the sweat duct, which is an opening that leads the sweat out of the skin. You can pause the video and go through all these other parts of the dermis. Functions of the skin. What are the basic functions of the skin? How does the skin help the body? Besides having a good looking skin, how does it help the body? The skin helps to excrete salts, water, and some urea. Remember, excreting is the process of getting rid of something that is not useful. It helps regulate body temperature. It stores fats, makes vitamin D by the help of sunlight, protects the organs, the body against germ infections, and also is the sensory organ for feeling. How does the body regulate temperature? By the skin. There's what we know as blood vessel vasodilation, or blood vessel vasodilate, or what we know as vasorelaxation. This is the process through which blood vessels expand or enlarge, allowing more blood to flow near the skin surface, and more heat is lost by the process known as radiation. Sweat glands produce more sweat through which heat is lost by evaporation. This is done during hot days or when a body is in a hot environment. It tries to lose heat through these processes. There is what we call erector muscles. They relax, causing hair to lie flat on the body to allow wind to easily sweep off heat. This is another way the skin helps the body to lose heat. And then during cold days, blood vessels narrow or they constrict, what we know as vasoconstriction, and so blood is withdrawn from the surface, limiting heat loss by radiation. A decrease in sweat production, thus reducing heat loss by evaporation, and also through shivering. When the body is shivering, that shaking, it produces heat by contracting the muscles. Fats under the skin act as heat insulators, so they reduce heat loss. Erector muscles contract, causing hair to erect and trap air around the skin, which acts as an insulator to heat loss. Then when hair erect, goose pimples appear on the skin, which also helps to maintain heat in the body. We have various diseases of the skin, and among them we have ringworm, we have scabies, athlete's foot, leprosy, among others. Then we have disorders of the skin. Disorders of the skin include dandruff, pimples, bruises, cuts, cones, acne, herpes zoster, amongst others. However, we can care for our skin through the following ways: washing your body daily with warm water, so with warm clean water and soap, rubbing your body with a towel after bathing. Wounds and cuts on the skin should be well covered with sterilized bandages. Take daily exercises to keep the skin working in the proper order, and also drink enough water, and also eat a balanced diet. Those are some of the ways we can basically look after our skins. That has been the video about skin. Please like it and share it with a friend. Thank you.